Let's make a vegetable fried rice.
Take a rice. Boil and corn. Take spring onion. Shea. Garlic. Ginger. Sesame. Shea flack. Mix it well with oil. Take your favorite vegetables. Take a salt. Shea powder. Gram masala. Black pepper. Fried rice powder. Take in bowl, add oil, add ginger and garlic. Add onion and chili, add your favorite vegetable. Mix it well with oil. Add little salt. Add rice.
Add spring onion sauce and all masala ingredient. Add vinegar. Add soya sauce. Add green chili sauce. And red chili sauce, mix it well. Take all ingredients as per your requirement and mix it well and add coriander leaves. Fried rice is ready and little spring onion for garnish.